And yeah, and I just have the shirt tucked in with these high-waisted have on my lash shirts. I have that my neck and my face don't really match. I don't really care. Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Chayla. For those of you who are new, it would mean so much to me if you guys would press the subscribe button, like this video, comment, do all things like that. Follow me on Instagram over here at chalaperry. And yeah, so today is Labor Day weekend. Wait, not really Labor Day weekend. The weekend's basically over. It's Monday. So it's actually Labor Day. So it is Monday afternoon, about 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that. And I'm just not getting ready for the day. So I do not work today. As you guys can tell that I'm at home right now. I do not work today because since it is Labor Day, we are off. And we're just going to be having a day. I need to go do some errands. I need to go to Kohl's because I got some work clothes right when I started my job. And I realized I don't really want those clothes. I didn't wear them. So I'm going to go return those. I don't have the receipts. So they're going to have to give me store credit, which I guess is fine. I guess I'll find something in that store to buy. So I need to go do that. I also need to go to Walmart because I bought a shirt yesterday. Well, I actually bought two shirts. I got two different colors, one in a medium and one in a, one in a medium and one in a large because I did not know which one was going to fit. Turns out I like the way the large fits because it is like a scrunched up shirt. So I'm going to go take the medium back and get a large in that one. So those are the two things I need to do. I need to find my outfit for work in the morning because tomorrow I have to be at work at 7 in the morning and I hate picking out my outfit for my 7 a.m. work days because I'm going to have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and my brain just does not function when I think about clothes at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I need to do that. And yeah. But anyways, if you guys can't tell, I cut my hair. It really is not that big of a difference. It was like right there probably before. And so now it's just a little bit shorter. I think it is really cute. I'm probably just gonna like end up keeping it this length since my hair grows wonky and like one side is longer than the other. It literally looks stupid, but it looks really good. So yeah, this is her. I'm actually getting it done this Friday just to, I think I'm getting a treatment because I have like really bad dandruff problems, story of my life. But so I'm gonna get that done and then you can just tell that I have on my lash shirts. I have another shirt, but I like this one so much better. And then I'm just wearing some shorts. Actually, why don't I just show you guys in the full length mirror? That would make like so much more sense. Okay, so this is a better representation of my outfit. I don't have the shoes on because I have not figured my life out that intensely. I don't know what word I'm trying to say, but I've not figured that part out. But this is just what my outfit looks like. And I just have the shirt tucked in with these high-waisted shorts. These actually came from Target, and they have pockets, so that's fantastic. Wearing my booties because we don't know what we're wearing. Yeah, about to get ready to go. Hope you guys are having a great Labor Day. And yeah. I kind of realized that my neck and my face don't really match. And you know what? I don't really care. So we're just gonna have like an unmatched body. So no big deal. Story of my life. We all can't win today. Tried to eat some of my Chick-fil-A. I don't know, I've not ate a full 8-count nugget from Chick-fil-A. I feel like in the longest time. I just like, I'm never feeling well. They still don't know what's wrong with my stomach. I took another motion sickness pill today, like right when I got home, when I started feeling bad. Probably going to bed at 10, I think. because yeah, I work at 7. So just gonna have a chill night. I might edit a little bit. So far I've been uploading every weekend. I've been uploading every Saturday except for yesterday. I uploaded on Sunday, but I've been doing really good at uploading once a week. I'm gonna try my hardest to get it up to 2 times a week because I need to, and like this is like YouTube is so important to me, so I really do need to try to get up 2 times a week. So gonna try to do that. So I might edit. The only problem is I have this video that I have to edit, and I know this video is going to take literally forever to edit because it's just like a lot of overlays and a lot of screen recording, but I'm going to try to get it up. And I also want to try some hairstyles with my hair. Well, duh, my hair. But yeah, I want to try some hairstyles. I want to try like a half up, half down. I want to try to curl it. I don't even know. I'm just like ranting on about stuff. Well, we found nothing in there. Now we're going to Wally World. Ooh, Hocus Pocus. We like that. Winnie the Pooh. I used to love Winnie the Pooh. Like Pooh. Winnie. So, just got back home from Walmart and we went to Route 21 as well. Didn't get anything from Route 21. But from Walmart, I picked up some things. First, some groceries, and I'm not going to show that because it's really boring. I just use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. Honestly, I think I got the wrong one because this is really light, but we are going to use it anyways. Then I got my favorite eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. and it's their Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Neutral Brown. Then I got 2 shirts. This is honestly the shirt that I returned. I just got a different size. And I might wear this tomorrow. Just this one. And then one in green as well. Super cute.